Can visual therapy improve your balance? And if you are unsure, how can you actually monitor it? Hi, my name is Johan van Zyl, and today we are going to give you just a couple of pointers and some tips and tricks on what you can do at home to improve your balance, especially if you are over 50 years of age. So yes, the research on this matter is actually quite comprehensive. By doing some eye exercises, irrespective of your age and your problem, you will be able to improve your postural stability and your balance. So firstly, head off towards my YouTube channel and look at my eye exercise video. That's where you start. And then, if you have an iPhone, make sure that your health app is activated. Go down to your health app to all health data and look at your walking steadiness, your double support time, and your walking asymmetry. And take some screenshots of those three things, because you will find that as you do your visual therapy, all those markers will actually improve. Now, there's no research on this matter. We are currently doing a small little experiment on our patients, and how we got to this point where we are now doing visual therapy and combining that with using technology to monitor your improvement, that is quite a long story, and we will be doing some comprehensive videos on that specific matter. But for now, all you need to know is go and do some eye exercises. Look at my eye exercises, the cross one, the sky nose, especially have a look at the Brock string eye exercise. Do some eye exercises. It's going to be 5 or maybe 10 minutes a day maximum. What have you got to lose if you are struggling with your balance? And then make sure you actually activate those apps on your phone. You can use One Step if you're on an Android system, and on the Apple system you just activate your health app. It's got a little heart on, and monitor your improvements.